Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to show you how to have the best day at Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. We'll share our fun facts, tips, and tricks while we show you all of the rides that we went on, and most importantly, all of the food we ate, since you know we are all about the food here on this channel. Personally, I think that Animal Kingdom is Disney World's most underrated theme park. People often skip it as it's smaller than the other parks, but I really encourage you to not skip it and to give it a chance. Disney's Animal Kingdom is so beautiful, and I think the Disney Imagineers went all out on this one. So because this park may be smaller, and by smaller I mean in attractions, not in size, as it is huge for the animals, don't rush around the same way you would in the other parks. Instead, take your time and enjoy how beautiful this park really is. So before we jump into our day, Walt Disney World offers a paid service called Genie Plus, where you can pay extra to skip some of the lines of the attractions, except for Flight of Passage in Pandora, the World of Avatar, which you pay individually for as what's called an individual lightning lane attraction if you want to skip that line. For our day, we did not purchase Genie Plus as we don't recommend it for this park. We don't feel it's needed for this particular theme park as it doesn't have as many rides as the other parks. However, we did purchase the individual lightning lane for Flight of Passage attraction, as that ride can get extremely lengthy wait times throughout the day, and we wanted to make the most of our time. So let's get into it. Good morning! We're going to Animal Kingdom. Are you excited? Look at that smile going to Animal Kingdom. If you're staying on property at Walt Disney World, you can get into the parks 30 minutes early. For those of you who are new to our channel, I'm a huge fan of rope dropping the parks, which means getting there when they open, as that allows you to get on more attractions with less wait times. We kicked off the debate in our travel party on the way to Expedition Everest if Animal Kingdom is a zoo or if it's not a zoo. If you remember the commercial from the early 2000s, Animal Kingdom is not a zoo.
So I don't know about you guys, but it doesn't look like a zoo to me.
It's beautiful.
I don't know what zoos you've been.
Excited to go see the Yeti?
There's no such thing.
Well, you're in Animal Kingdom, so yes, there is. And see, as you can see, it's not the zoo.
Columbus Zoo has rides in it too.
No, Sydney, no. This one's my favorite, and it's only 5-minute wait time. It is. Excited? The first ride of the day and only a 5-minute wait for Expedition Everest. Stop your frowning! That was perfection! My hair is crazy!
Yes, we did it!
We did it! Good job! When you're crossing any bridges in the park, make sure to look over the edges. There's often character boats that sail through, and you can catch a glimpse of some of your favorite Disney friends.
Pocahontas. It's billionaire adventurer Scrooge McDuck and his faithful travel companion Launchpad McQuack. The two thrill seekers have sailed all the way from Duckburg to experience the raging currents and erupting geysers of the legendary Collier River Rapids. Since Launchpad lost their map days.
Up Up next, we are making our way to Dinoland USA to ride the dinosaur ride. Have you heard the latest news from Disney that Dinoland USA will be getting completely replaced in the future? Looks like they're making way for new attractions. I really love the dinosaur ride, but during this visit we noticed it definitely needed some love, as a lot of the animatronics were no longer working, so we figured it probably wouldn't last much longer. So make sure to check out the dinosaur ride while you still can.
This one's not gonna make it.
It's got a 5-minute wait time.
I love the butterflies. You think that was a boy dinosaur?
Gregory, don't be looking at the dinosaur like that.
If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you.
Grab the Iguanodon and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll!
We made it.
That one's scary.
That was dated.
Those what?
It's dated.
They're not repairing it.
They gave up on that one.
Aww.
Some of the dinos weren't moving. But it's still an Animal Kingdom classic.
After getting 2 rides in and a few character sightings, it's time to eat. This can be a tricky park to find breakfast as not everywhere was opened yet, but a couple kiosks offered sausage and egg biscuits, and I went to get the tiger tail at a food kiosk on Discovery Island.
So it looks like cheese, but we're hoping it's not cheese. It's not cheese. It's icing. It really looks like cheese.
What's the orange icing taste like? You know the icing you put on a cinnamon roll? Yes. Like that.
What would you rate it?
A 5?
5 out of 10. At least we tried it.
Kevin from Up makes multiple sightings around the park and is probably one of the most fun character interactions to see.
Time to go to Creature Comforts, which is Starbucks, and get some caffeine to keep us going, since Animal Kingdom's always an early morning. Okay, dig in. Let us know how it is.
Is it worth it?
Not good?
I'll just have a bite. I'll take it here.
That's not bad.
Is it better had on at Magic Kingdom?
Just on?
Yeah, like
No, nothing's better than just on.
but that time of day. Yeah.
Still better.
What would you rate that one?
Like a 6.
They got matching drinks.
Yeah, we did.
I was telling them, you ever like have a really dirty microwave and you microwave something and it tastes like the microwave? It had like a hint of sausage.
So clearly someone else ordered a breakfast sandwich.
And they put it together or
Yeah.
something like that. So you had like sausage spiced cinnamon roll.
How is your pink drink?
It's refreshing, you like it.
My coffee's always a 10 out of 10. So what are your top 3 experiences?
My number 1 is the Guardians, number 2 is Star Wars, number 3 is the President.
The Hall of Presidents.
The Hall of
He's
Presidents.
very patriotic.
See? I knew, but I'm not crazy. It's because of the end when they do those.
How they move the animatronics.
Yes, and you're seeing all the
that was
presidents
really
as if they're
cool.
alive. I love that.
Sid, top 3.
So far, because I have not rode,
Oh, Flight of Passage.
I've not read. I have high expectations, so I anticipate it's going to be a top 3.
Oh,
right
you're right.
now, it is Guardians, Rise, Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion. Gregory, you're up.
Guardians Rise Frozen.
All right, Meg, your
Okay.
turn.
Expedition Everest. Guardians of the Galaxy. And Space Mountain. Really?
Wow.
Why Space Mountain?
You
She
like
has
those
no
crazy
flavor.
roller coasters.
I like to be flung around.
Oh, yeah.
Now,
That's a little
Tower of
crazy.
Terror is a fun ride,
That one
too.
is.
After a quick coffee break, we made our way to the Tree of Life, which is in the heart of the Animal Kingdom, and inside is the Bugs Life 3D show, It's Tough to Be a Bug. This is another attraction that Disney just announced would be replaced shortly, and instead will be a Zootopia show, so check it out while you still can.
Do you know what's gonna hurt more? That most kids probably don't even know a Bug's Life.
I love the Bug's Life.
It's a gem.
And the Disney short that went before Bug's.
So I can't film in there because it's really dark and it is a 3D movie, but it is a really cute show, so take some time to go see it before it's gone. After It's Tough to Be a Bug, we had drinks and light bites at Nomad Lounge. If you haven't seen our Nomad Lounge review video yet, I'll put a link below in the description. This is a great place to get some air conditioning and a bite to eat on a busy park day, and we love their drinks.
We're all done at Nomad Lounge and we're making our way towards the safari. It's Saturday, so it's a little busier today. Avatar, both rides are at a 90-minute wait right now. It's a hot afternoon, so there's a lower wait time. No, it has, but the animals are probably napping. But that's okay. This is usually a really hot lineup, so
It really is.
I'll take. Would you not say rude things like that? We're in the wonderful animal kingdom. Unacceptable. What do we do with him?
We like to say here at the Harambe Wildlife Reserve, Duende, which means let's go, friends.
Oh, the breeze is gonna feel nice.
Kilamanjaro Safaris is a fantastic way to see the animals roaming. Every time you ride, you'll probably see something different with the animals, so this is one that's definitely worth a second ride throughout your day. After the safari, we stopped at Mr. Kamal's to order the famous seasoned French fries.
Right here. Thank you so much. I can smell the seasoning.
Is it just me, or is this the most perfect spot they found to sit with the tree of life in the background?
What do you think?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad? What do you think, Sid?
I don't understand what the hype is.
These are French fries.
Yeah. No.
A little bit.
What would you rate them?
I'm not a fry guy, so I'm the wrong person to ask.
Well, I just like French fries, so I'll go an 8.
I was gonna do a 5.
Yeah, I was actually like a 4 or 5. Yeah.
Because I'm expecting something.
You're pulling a Greg.
Yeah, well, it's those Disney nerds that overhype stuff.
Yes. I think they're an 8 too. An 8?
I think they're delicious.
Because I had no interest in them, and I'm just trying it because they're on the table.
And you're just enjoying it.
And I'm like, wow.
Nah.
I went into this going, okay, they're French fries with seasoning.
But
That's what they are.
The seasoning isn't adding anything.
If you go in expecting spicy French fries, you'll enjoy them.
After our French fry debate, we slowly made our way back through the Africa section of the park, which eventually leads to Pandora, the world of Avatar, as it was getting close to our Lightning Lane time. As mentioned earlier in the video, we had purchased the Lightning Lane entry for the popular Flight of Passage ride, as it can get extremely lengthy wait times. And now we can skip the line on this popular attraction.
What's the current wait, I wonder? Looks that way. 105 minutes.
Well, that's not bad.
We made a good choice.
That's not
How long is our wait?
like 20 minutes.
15?
Well, 15.
Mostly just walking.
Great trade-off.
Mm-hmm. Hello. Your ears. Thank you.
You will be restrained in a moving chair and will experience sudden drops and acrobatics. Systems ready.
Calibration status?
Optimal.
Have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar.
Flight of Passage is an attraction similar to Soarin' in Epcot, except it's 3D and you are leaning forwards on a bike device about to turn into a banshee flying over Pandora. This attraction is an absolute must on your vacation, from the sights and smells to feeling the banshee breathing. It's so beautiful.
What did you think of that?
That is now my second favorite and beat out Rise of the Resistance.
Oh, what about you?
My favorite.
That's your favorite?
My number one.
Okay.
Yes. Presidents has been bumped before.
Another ride in Pandora, the world of Avatar, is Navi River Journey. This is a slow-moving boat ride through the bioluminescent rainforest. Pandora is so beautiful that during your Animal Kingdom Park Day, you definitely need to spend some time here to appreciate how much incredible detail there is. Adding this land to Animal Kingdom is rumored to have increased this park's attendance by 25%. The Imagineers went all out on this one. And make sure you try some of the food Pandora has to offer too, such as at Pongu Pongu Refreshments and then Satu'li Canteen, which we're about to show you.
A Mo'ara margarita from Pongu Pongu.
Oh, it's got both ones. Oh my gosh. What is that?
It's a Mo'ara margarita. It's nice.
Is there a line over there?
Nope. This is the pineapple.
Do they just put the boba in it?
Yeah.
Have that? Pretty good.
I'm gonna say it's too warm and that weirds me out. This is a refreshing drink and I would say like 8 out of 10. I just got brain freeze.
You have to have a brain to get a brain freeze.
He's so funny. Now we are going to Satu'li Canteen.
Satu'li Canteen is one of my favorite quick service locations to eat at in Walt Disney World. It's fantastic theming and fun dishes to try. We're going to save Satu'li Canteen to be its own future video and show the food we tried and what we thought. But Satu'li Canteen is an Animal Kingdom Park Day must-visit location for me. There are other shows and attractions in Animal Kingdom besides the ones that we showed you today to fill up your park day. There are also animal trails to get to see the animals up close, or a train ride to Rafiki's Planet Watch to learn more about the conservation of animals. There are so many great attractions and experiences in Animal Kingdom, and I can't stress enough how beautiful it is. I hope this video gave you some helpful tips and fun facts and proved to you that Animal Kingdom is not a park that you should skip and can easily be more than a half-day park. And again, for the record, it is not a zoo. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate if you would hit the like button and subscribe to follow along on our next adventure. You can check out more of our Disney playlists on our channel for fun in the Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, and Epcot, as well as our Disney dining playlist to check out all the restaurants that we have tried. Thanks for watching.
Bye, Tree of Life. We'll see you next time. It's been a great day in Animal Kingdom. Thanks for following along.